Hi, Dan here from Vehix411.com. Today I will show you how to program a keyless remote for a 2009 Subaru Forester. It is a newer style remote. These remotes you will have to open to get the serial number in order for it to work. You can also program these without a scan tool. It's pretty hard to do that, but it is possible. Go to Vehix411.com if you want to program it without a remote. I will have a video coming soon for this. Otherwise, I am gonna use a Subaru Select Monitor, which is a Subaru genuine computer scan tool. And to program this remote, you will need to open it up, and you will see the number over here. These are the numbers you will need to input and program the remote. If you are doing it manually, you will literally need to do each number individually with like a door lock switch, which is like if it's a 4, you'll have to close the door lock 4 times, and if it's an 8, you have to unlock the door lock 8 times, and 5, close the door lock 5 times. So it's pretty hard, but it is possible to do it without a scan tool. I don't have an option on my Snap-on scanner to program, so I am using, like I said, Subaru Select Monitor. So what I'm gonna do is power ignition on. I will go to my integrated unit and I will communicate. Otherwise, before you do program this, make sure you have a good battery. That way it will not throw you off. You might think something's wrong where you're doing wrong programming, whatever it is. So make sure you have a good battery. Otherwise, once it enters the integrated module, you push OK, and then you go to keyless ID registration. There's a bunch of ones. You just delete that and then enter the numbers. So I got 4855, 4855, 6246, 6246, and I'll double check. It says ID confirmation 4855, 4855, 6246, 6246. Yes, it is a good one. So I'll put it over here, ID registered. To end, you just push cancel, go back, you shut the ignition off, get your key out of the ignition. We will close this remote, and we're gonna test what we did. Okay, I closed this thing all the way. Make sure you have a good close connection, and then as you can see, unlock, lock, the remote is working good. So for this I use the Subaru computer. Otherwise, you can do it manually. Visit Vehix411.com if you want more info on this.